All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency HOKK, H-O-K-K, Hokkaido, H-O-K-K-Inu. All right, well, the reason we're talking about this is Amazon said that there's 4 cryptocurrencies that they're looking at, and 2 of them are going to make the cut. AMP token, Shiba Inu, HOKK, and Matic. And I just felt like, you know what, HOKK, H-O-K-K, let's do a little video on it. What's going on with it? Go to the website. Is it up? Is it down? Let's talk about it. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on the channels to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Sunday and Monday, Tom Brady, today being Monday, talking about cryptocurrency, what he's getting into. We're going to go over to Tom Brady at the end here, talk a little bit about Tom. And we know Tom is with FTX, and they're going to be advertising heavily in the Super Bowl. So, okay, let's go over to HOKK, Hokkaido. All right, HOKK is 39.06 on the coin market cap. It's up about 11% in the last 24 hours. But it's down about 16% in the last 7 days. Now, this is a token that Amazon actually may bring in. I know a lot of people haven't heard of it. That's why we're doing this. You're thinking, Amazon? Yep, I'm going to go right to that article. In the last 24 hours, this token is up 10%. It's actually 2 zeros and 37.63. We'll do a little price prediction when we're done, too. Last 7 days, I mean, it's been going down. Right here, I think this is when all the cryptocurrencies dropped, when the Feds talked about how they were going to raise interest rates 3 times in the 2022. All right, let's check this out. So it says right here, Amazon to consider AMP crypto to legal payment on the website in 2022. Yes, insiders. So AMP, but it says right here, they're looking at 4 different cryptocurrencies. Yep, 4 of them. And AMP token is one of them. So I talk about AMP all the time. Well, this is how we found out about HOKK. Take a look, HOKK's right here. So there's 4 of them on the, made the cut. AMP token, Shiba, Matic, and HOKK. And then right down here, it actually says, however, among the 4 options, the team is examining the potential collaboration. The insiders claim that only two of the coins would make the finalized as legal payment. So 2 of them, which again, HOKK, right here is one of the 4. I didn't know if you knew that or not. That's why we're even talking about this. Now think about that. Out of these 4 cryptocurrency, Matic, HOKK, AMP token, and Shiba, whatever the 2 of the 4 that make the cut, and actually Amazon starts using this cryptocurrency, you think the token the price of it may go up. I don't know. All our information is for educational purposes only. Let's head over to their website. All right, it's HOKK.finance. Here we go. Meme utility giving you financial freedom you deserve. And look at how nice the little Hokkaido is doing here. HOKK Financial builds decentralized finance products that challenge modern banking, empowering you to do more with crypto. By HOKK, H-O-K-K. It says ETH chain, BSC chain, HECO chain. Decentralized, community powered. Start your journey to financial freedom by purchasing your native token, HOKK, from your multi-chain swap, HOKK. And then right here, it's got its own swap. You launch it, and it's right here, HOKK FI, and you would obviously go ahead and do the swap and get your HOKK. Crypto products for everyone, everyday life. Our vision is to build exclusive financial systems, empowering you the product you need to spend your crypto from anywhere in the world. Faster and more affordable than any bank and market. It says 1, transfer your crypto your way. Send crypto instantly with lower rates. Secure your position in gaming-changing DeFi projects. Get in early and most promising DeFi projects. Grow your crypto account for years ahead. Spread your ETH across your premium yield. It says, we're creating the future of crypto today for your children of tomorrow. All right. Sounding good so far. All right, what about this Tom Brady on Sunday and Monday? He's always talking about getting into something. It's like something cryptocurrency or is doing a trade. Let's all go ahead and head over since it's Monday and we know Monday Night Football is always kicking off. Let's go ahead and hear what Tom Brady's going to be talking about.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, we talked about it. I got another 10 years left. Maybe 15.
Not that. This is big. What do you think? Are you in?
You know what? I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hang on a minute. How dare you call this number? Okay, I'm in. Whatever.
Who's that?
That was my mom.
Hey, Donut, don't eat that.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. Hey, Arthur, I quit.
I'm in.
T-Bone, is it the downstairs toilet again?
Hello, Tom. Dogecoin?
Sue, Mark.
Are you in?
I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
All right, this last one might be tough.
Nah, he loves you.
Probably just get another dentist. This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
We'll provide Inc. 360-degree access to the crypto market with the ability to trade everything from alts to DeFi. I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Take care. Best of the family.
Is he in?
Yep,
Did he say he hates you?
he did.
Even on the phone, that guy sounds handsome.
All right. There's Tom Brady. All right, that's right. Monday night, there is no game going on tonight because the weekend just ended. No big deal. But here's the thing. Tom Brady is going to be talking about over the playoffs what he's getting into. He's been talking about it the whole year, getting into cryptocurrency, doing a trade. On the Super Bowl, when the Super Bowl comes, we don't know if Tom Brady's going to make it again, but we do know that FTX is going to be spending millions upon millions. A Super Bowl ad is $5.5 million for 30-second commercial, and FTX and Crypto.com is going to be all over it. You heard it here first. The best Super Bowl commercial is going to be a cryptocurrency commercial. All right. So just wanted to give you a little taste of what everybody who's into football has been seeing for the last 18, 19 weeks. And the playoffs are going to be starting here next week on Saturday and Sunday. So, all right, let's head back over to HOKK, and give a little price prediction and see what's going on with this cryptocurrency. You know, right over here on the Twitter account, it says, HOKK, finance NFTs dropping. All hands on deck. We'll drop our NFTs in a few hours. Are you ready? So, yep, there's NFTs that are going to be dropping right on here. And it also says right here, it's been a crazy year for everyone and HOKK finance team, but we couldn't have done it without you and our community, so thank you for a great year. You get a thank you. You get a thank you. There's Oprah talking to everyone. You all get a thank you. In 2021, we began to build a strong roots in Singapore, China, India, and Africa, appearing on the national media, working with agencies and content creators. And last but surely not least, what is a meme utility? The new age of finance includes currency based off of memes that will become legit ways to conduct commerce. We believe that lending and finance market and fund in a creative way to spend, send, and invest your money. HOKK Finance, HOKK, will be the future of money for the next generation that will be born into the crypto banking. All right, so over here at CoinMarketCap, there's 2 zeros, 37.13. Our price prediction. Taking a look at this here. In the last month, it seems it's went as high as 0.0611. So it went as high as 6. Right over here, it went at 48, 0048. Over here, it went to 53. So it's 0037, our price prediction. It's going to go 0050, a little bit of about a 50% bump there by the end of the first quarter. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but that's not even as high as it's been. Right here, it's actually higher than that. All right, so I just wanted to think of that. So Amazon is bringing 4 cryptocurrencies. They have on, AMP tokens, one of them. Shiba Inu is one of them. Maddox, one of them. And HOKK, HOKK is one of them. 2 of those 4 are going to actually become part of the cryptocurrency that Amazon's going to use in the first quarter. I also heard Amazon's going to form their own cryptocurrency. So all kinds of great stuff's going on. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, you guys have a fantastic day today on Monday.